Hey guys, Candida here, and Ainsley got a Rainbocorn Puppycorn Surprise today with a peel and reveal magic heart. This option has up to 8 possible puppies, including 1 rare sausage dog surprise. Now, these are always fun to open. My daughter loves it. And on the side here is the gold little peel wrap. And so all we've got to do is peel up on the gold wrap, and we're going to be able to unwrap the surprise. So here, Ainsley's got all of the wrapping off, and we are ready to see what's going to be in the surprise. So she's going to pop the lid, and oh my gosh, she got the rare sausage surprise dog. There is a sticker here on the front because it does have the surprise sticker. So she's going to get to peel that, and we're going to see what's going to be on the ribbon on the sausage dog. So here she goes. She's peeling it. And it is a cute little pink poodle. So this is adorable. It also has a sheet of stickers that are in a dog bone shape. And of course, it's got slime poop to go with it. My daughter loves slime. Oh, and what's that in the bottom there? It's an egg. So the surprises just keep coming. So let's go ahead and open up the egg. And it's a gold puppy. So the Rainbocorn Surprise has been a huge hit today. Hope you enjoyed the review.